Good morning, class 12th for painting subject. Class, as you know, we finish our unit 2 means till Deccan school. So before start unit 3, today I am giving you few question answer with unit 2. So the first question is, why do you like or dislike the painting of Mughal school of miniature painting of included in your course of study? Justify your answer in detail with suitable example. The answer is, I like the miniature painting of Mughal school of miniature painting included our course of study. Too many reasons. Firstly, the Mughal emperors took keen interest in art except Aurangzeb. Secondly, the Mughal emperor loved discipline. Thirdly, minutest detail has been shown through fine lines. Golden and silver colors have been used, which are very attractive. The garments and men and women in the Mughal painting have been depicted very beautifully. Nature has been depicted. Some Mughal paintings like Krishna lifting Mount Govardhan, falcon on a bird rest, marriage procession of Dara Shikoh, etc. have been painted very appealing Mughal features. In the painting Krishna lifting Mount Govardhan, brilliant color scheme has been shown. A big multicolor mountain is very appealing. God Krishna's supremacy has been shown by showing him in large size, means Virat Roop, and the Brijvasi have been shown in the normal size of human being, which is the main attraction of the painting. Mughal artists have handled the group scenes very efficiently, and the tendency for composing crowded scenes involving too many forms and figures. Example are Dara Shikoh Ki Barat and Krishna lifting Mount Govardhan, etc. So, Mughal paintings are always liked and appreciated by the art lovers. Now the second question, do you receive any spiritual message from the famous Mughal miniature painting Kabir and Raidas? Explain in short. Or, on the basis of the fact that Mughal school of miniature painting was secular, in which Hindu god goddesses and saints were also depicted. Identify any relevant miniature painting included in your course of study. Now the answer, though the famous Mughal miniature painting Kabir and Raidas, we receive a spiritual message, as in this painting two saints, namely Saint Kabir and Saint Raidas, have been shown meditating on a same religious topic. Saint Kabir is weaving a garment on his loom and is in a meditating mood. Saint Raidas is also sitting near him and he is also in a meditating mood. The painting depicts Indian village life where peace and simplicity have been shown. This painting belongs to the time period during the rule of Dara Shikoh, son of Shah Jahan. The another theme they are depicted in this painting is respect of all religions, as Dara Shikoh, being a Muslim, has shown Hindu saints in this painting. In other painting made during his time also, both Hindu and Muslim saints have been treated equally. So, the whole atmosphere of this painting is religious, and the presence of both saints in this painting are proving this fact. The painting also justifies the fact that its subject matter is religious as well as secular. Students, these are 2 questions, and tomorrow we will do our next questions.